Did you know 80% of what we learn, feel, and experience comes through our eyes? Pero kailan ka huling nagpatingin? Hi, ako po si Doc Karina from Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, and today I want to help you understand why regular eye checkups are more than just about reading letters on chart. Number 1, eyes reflect your overall health. Ang mata ay hindi lang para sa paningin, it's a window to your body. With one simple eye exam, we can detect signs of diabetes, high blood pressure, even brain tumors, bago mo pa maramdaman ang symptom. Prevention starts here. Number 2, children's learning depends on clear vision. If you are a parent, this is crucial. More than 60% of learning problems from undiagnosed vision issues. Hindi tamad ang bata, baka hindi lang niya kayo makita ng malinaw sa classroom. Get their eyes checked early. It can change their future. Number 3, vision loss is often silent. Macular degeneration, these diseases can steal your sight quietly. By the time symptoms appear, permanent damage may already been done. A regular eye exam could be the difference between saving your sight or losing it. An eye checkup is not just for the old or for those with blurry vision. It's for the healthy, the young, the parent, the students, the workers. It's for you. At Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, we don't just check your eyes, we protect your dreams, guide futures, and give you the clarity to live your best life. Book your eye exam today because clear vision is not a luxury, it's your right. And we're here to make sure you never take it for granted.
Bukad